Deciem is a skincare brand that houses The Ordinary, Hylamite, Niod, and a few others. You have been to their website. Unless you're a chemist, you'll probably get lost, because their website is notoriously known to be very, very technical, which can be overwhelming for the everyday consumer. For very good reasons, because they're listing the facts, the scientific names of these ingredients, and the chemical reactions that they go through in your skin, so that you understand what exactly you're getting yourself into. Only buy things your skin needs. If you're just as disoriented as I am, or question whether 4 years of bio classes have taught you anything, this is a video for you. And I'll have the template I use for download at the end. Hello! If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Fiona, a biomed engineer turned product manager, and I spent hours reading product descriptions on Deciem, so you don't have to. First thing you need to know about Deciem is that it has 3 lines of skincare products: The Ordinary, Hylamite, and Niod. The Ordinary uses familiar, tried and tested ingredients, whereas Niod uses newer technology to create more innovative products. The price also goes up as the formulation in Niod products are more complex. As an example, The Ordinary has 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. Sodium hyaluronate actually. Hylamite has 5, and Niod has 15, including the actual hyaluronic acid. So you can get results without spending the most, but Niod will give you more. Now, we know the brand. How do we decode the products? Here's where I bring in my trusty tool, Notion. Let's open up Deciem's website and Notion, side by side. On the left, I'm looking at The Ordinary's Buffet Peptide Serum, and on the right, my handy cheat sheet on Notion. So, as I scan through the product description, this is a lot. I need to simplify this. So I made a short list of all the products that I'm interested in and want to learn more about. From the website, I captured the essential details like name, type, function, what ingredients it pairs well with and what it conflicts with, price, when I need to use them, and whether or not I want to buy it. Let's say I'm interested in the buffet and I want to add it to my list. I'll go to Notion and add a new item. Since I already created a template for these products, I'll go ahead and pick peptide hydrator. Now, let me just add in the details for buffet. It's from The Ordinary, it's peptide, and the function. Okay, this is the one that we need to do a bit homework on. So let's quickly scan these. Formula combines combinations. Okay, right in the first page, we see that this formula combines a comprehensive array of study technologies to target multiple signs of aging. Okay, this is our primary function, and this is all we need for this purpose. Let's see if there's anything else we need to know of. Here. For a stronger effort against signs of age, our brand Hylamite offers a next generation formula, Sub-Q Skin. So let me just add that. Sub-Q Skin has next gen formula. Just a note for myself. Let's see, is there anything that we can use buffet with? Here. It's best to not use peptides in the same routine as the following products: direct acids, L-ascorbic acid, ethylated ascorbic acid. In addition, we will recommend avoiding the use of products containing proper peptides. I see. Now let's add that to. Now let's add dark acid, vitamin C, and proper peptides. Okay. Now, how much is this? It's $14.80 Canadian. Just add that. And as for my routine, I think I can use it every day in the morning. And based on this, should I buy this? Seems like a pretty decent product. Let's go ahead and check this off. And I actually just bought this, so I'm going to check this off as well. Now, if you want to add a photo, simply copy the image and paste it here. And voila, we're done. Here you can see buffet has been added to the table. Now, once you've added the products that you're interested in and do your research and evaluate it whether or not you want to buy it, you can create a view with just the products that you're wanting to buy by adding this filter where buy is checked off. When I went to the store, it was super easy. I literally pulled out this table and went through these products one by one and grabbed the ones that they had available. After I bought the products, I created another view with the products that I want to use in my current routine and added these two columns, my routine and step. For my routine, I'm looking at AM or PM. For the morning, I want to keep things simple, so I just had one. But for the evenings, since I'm using K's and a retinoid, I had two routines so that they're not mixed in the same one. For step, yours will be a bit different. I like to start with an exfoliator, add a mask on the weekend, put some mist, a serum, and a product that targets a skin concern of mine, a peptide as a hydrator, and a moisturizer to seal everything up. Sometimes I follow up with a retinoid and condition my hair. I also added this ratings column so that I can rate these items based on how well they work for my skin. A better way to look at this table is in gallery view. As you can see, I grouped all my products based on the routine. AM every day, PM with copper peptides, PM with retinoids, and PM on weekends, and order them based on the step. And you can see buffet that we just added earlier. I also enable this images to be shown so that I can easily visualize what routine I am on and which product I should use when. Whew, I know this is a lot. It took me many hours to build this, but that trip to the Deciem store where I just showed them my list, went through it one by one, and bought whatever they had, just like that. No more confusion or regrets, because I already know what I need. I hope this has been helpful in making sense of Deciem's products and deciding which ones are good for you. If you'd like me to expand on anything, please comment below, and I'd love to hear what your favorite Deciem products are. If you'd like to make a copy of my template, I will put the download link in the description. Please be a subscriber to this channel if you learned something new, and share this video with your friends. See you next time! Psst. If you don't already know, Deciem has a huge sale this November. Everything is 23% off, plus they're offering a month-long discount and daily education on skincare, in the hope to empower consumers with the time and information required to buy less but better. You can find these videos and learn more about November on their website. Happy shopping!